Hey guys, Tom from Lifestyle here. Today I want to talk about a few ways you can get paid to search the internet. Since you're already using Google or maybe Bing a few times a week, maybe a few times a day, there are ways to get rewarded in doing so, and no, you're not going to make a lot of money, but if you're going to compile that search, why not get rewarded? In today's honest video, I just want to show you a few ways you can get paid searching the web. As always, I only recommend items I like. I'm always 100% honest, and I like to get straight to the point. So with that being said, let's jump in and begin. So the first company I want to recommend, and it's one that I make about $1,000 a year on, it's Swagbucks. No, I don't make a lot of money in the search. In fact, I make most of my monies in the offer section, but I've created videos on that before. Check out how I made more than $1,000 in my video archives. I'll link in the description as well. And so if you want to get paid to search, Swagbucks does have a Chrome extension, and it's called Swagbucks Search that you can find in the Chrome web store. And you can earn points for searching the web, and you'll never miss a cashback opportunity using the app. So all you'll need to do is you can add this to your browser, and then you can search as you're going about using Yahoo, etc. And then if you want to just use the website itself, you could search up top here. So for example, if I wanted to see today's baseball scores and I type in baseball scores, I can click on that. And what you're going to notice, it takes you directly to the Yahoo results. Now, not every time you search, you're going to get points. In fact, if you saw that, you would see that my balance remained the same at 1,390. So it's going to be at random. And if you go online and search, I found this Reddit thread, and it seems to be pretty honest. And someone will ask how you can make points, and it's just at random. They'll throw it to you once in a while, and it just seems to be random stuff. So the searches work on a time period. So split the day into quarters, and you might end up with a few more. So it seems like the searches are at random, but if you're going to search, try to make it a habit out of using Swagbucks. I know it uses Yahoo, but you can earn some points at least. And if you need something basic, such as like I did the baseball scores, I can get the answers that I need. You're not going to get a lot, maybe 5 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to 5 cents, but if you do it here and there, it can add up. Remember that searching isn't the only way. In fact, it's probably the poorest way to make money aside from the videos. I would focus again on those offers and surveys. It's a great way to make $5, $10 a day if you log in daily and work at it. So number 2 on my list is Microsoft Rewards. It is offered by Microsoft. This is as legit as it can get, and you can earn by searching, earning, by shopping, and also a variety of other ways. Let me show you on my dashboard right here. Anytime you log in, you can see that there's little clicks that you can hit for 10 points. You can do quizzes for 50 and so forth. So for example, if I scroll down and show you the humans in AI, I can click on learn more. Loads it up. I can look at it if I want, or I just close it out. I just got an easy 5 points. Now the same can be said about searching. If you go to Bing and you just search for something in particular, such as baseball scores, again, if I click, I just got 5 points up here, and you're allowed to do this 10 times a day. And if you're going to search, you might as well use Bing because these start to add up. And then as you can see back on the dashboard there, you can hit streaks, which can get you more points. Now when it comes time to redeem those points, there's a variety of options from entering raffles, such as a $1,000 Microsoft gift card. But if you don't want to enter the raffles, they have Xbox Live Gold memberships and so forth, and the best of them are on the bottom here. As I scroll and scroll here, you have Amazon, DoorDash, Grubhub, Burger King, and it keeps going. And redemptions start at as little as 5,200 points. This is again operated by Microsoft. It's a great one if you're going to use Bing. I know some people don't like to use it because it's not as popular as Google, but it is a great way to get about 50 plus points. And if you click around on those daily sets, you can earn a good 300 points a day easily. Inbox Dollars is another one that operates just like Swagbucks. In fact, it's operated by the same exact company. They have a variety of ways to earn offers, surveys, shopping, and so forth. And if you want to earn by searching, you can click on that search tab there, and we can search. We're just going to use the common theme here, and I'm typing baseball scores. Search and earn, as you can see, I just earned 50 cents for that search. So it's going to be at random, and you can't just start typing gibberish and searching. You're going to find that you can either put your account at risk or you're just not going to get points. This is again going to be at random. So if you do want to search, stick to one of these sites, whether it's Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars, because it's silly to bounce back and forth. Personally, I recommend Swagbucks, but Inbox Dollars is an okay one. The only thing I don't like is that you do need at least $30 to request cash. That seems to be going up. I believe it used to be 25, but this is a higher minimum threshold because on Swagbucks you only need, I believe, $2 or $3 in points, which you can get pretty fast. Inbox Dollars is free to join. They do have okay surveys and offers, so that's something to check out. I just wouldn't focus as much on the search section. MyPoints.com. This is another one operated by Swagbucks, and it works in the same way. You have ways to shop, there's coupons, surveys. That's where most of your money is at, as well as the top earning offers. That's where you're going to earn most of your money. Now, if you want to search, you can go to the more section and click on the search and earn. Again, it's the same option. If I type in baseball scores, let's see where that takes me. In that case, I did not get any points. It's going to be like Swagbucks. It's going to be at random. So if you want guaranteed points, you're going to want to go to Bing. If you want to play and roll the dice, you can try these MyPoints of Swagbucks. But just let it be known, once in a while you will get a couple points, and if you do, it'll only be a few. Amazon Mturk, this is another one I just want to mention really quickly. And you can do little tasks and get paid for it. And what I found is that you can get paid to search, and all you need to do is type in search, and then, for example, this guy is willing to pay you 10 cents for every address that you find, and find words in a search puzzle. So it's a little different than searching on Google and Yahoo in a way. I just wanted to mention it because there are some options sometimes where you can hop on board and search for things using Google or Yahoo, but it's more of like a data entry job of sorts. So it's a little different. Mturk's a great way to make $50, $100 a month by doing little tasks. There's a lot of them at a time, and 10 cents may not sound like a lot, but a lot of times it only takes you maybe 30 seconds at most. Once you get good at it and pick out the tasks that make you a lot of money, then that's when you can maximize your time and start to earn. I have written a lot about Mturk, and it is a great way to make money online. You won't get rich doing it, but it is a great way to supplement your income. I just wanted to include this again because there are ways, if you want to use Google and search and you just like searching for things, I just wanted to put this option out there for you to know about. Okay, so that's going to wrap things up. There's not many ways to make money searching, and if you want to search just as you normally do, use Microsoft Rewards. That's great for Bing. If you want to roll the dice, then Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, those are all decent options. I mean, maybe $1 a month or so. Bing might make you a couple dollars a month in gift cards, and I know Bing isn't the best option, but a lot of times I can find what I'm looking for. So I do make the habit of making sure I'm logging in and I use Bing. Just make sure you're logged into your account, and it's just on autopilot anytime you search. So if you want to search and make money, you can. Will you get rich? No, you're not going to make a lot of money at all. As long as you have that mindset, you can do it. So check out those websites. I put them in the description. As always, go to lushdollar.com to find out the many ways to make money, save money, be smart with your money. I'm always honest, 100% to the point. Don't want to push any garbage products. That's going to do it for now. I will see you guys next time.